Ooh, do y'all see me? Y'all, install on Flat Flat. Okay, just call me Shaflatty Flat Flat. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, yo, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? I'm feeling myself, y'all. So before I get into my extra read all about it, today's video is sponsored by Klaiyi hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. And if they provide me with a coupon code, I'll list that down below as well. Okay? Okay. All right, y'all. So y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. Get down on it. Come on, let's get down on it. Yes. I'm going to drop those cons on you, and then we're going to jump right into the pros. All right, y'all. So when it comes to the cons for this wig, y'all, I honestly don't have none. I really don't. The only thing I could say, is that I wish the color, started more up here. Like, if it was closer a little bit to the roots. But after I curled it, and I'm looking all chocolicious and good and whatnot, it's not really bothering me. So overall, I guess you can say I don't have any cons with this wig. Cause y'all, we is laid and slayed in the shade, okay? Come on, Klaiyi hair. All right, y'all, since I don't have any cons for this wig, let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the color. I do love the color of this wig. I feel like it goes with my skin tone so well, And I'm sitting here with the gray and yellow and brown. And I just feel like this looks so good. As you can see, we is serving scalp on a silver platter, okay? Because if the wig don't serve scalp, I don't want it, okay? I don't want it. I didn't pluck this hairline. The hairline did come pre-plucked, and I think that it looks good. You can go in and pluck it some more for personal preference, but y'all know I'm not plucking nothing. All right, one day I'm gonna try and try to customize the hairline, but baby steps, okay? So the hairline's looking good. The lace did come kind of brown, so it did blend in with my skin tone. It was a little bit too light, but it's nothing no makeup didn't fix. Like, can y'all see it? Because I know you see it. Yes, the parting space looked really natural. I didn't pluck the parting space. All I did was put some pressed powder in the middle, and we are serving scalp, y'all. The next pro I would have to say is the hair. This hair is beautiful, okay? I don't know, but I don't like all my curls, like, to my face. Is that weird? Okay, hair, go back behind the shoulder, okay? Back to life. Back to reality. Hey, come on, y'all. Your girl's feeling this great. Hair is really soft, and as you can see, it does hold a curl. It holds a curl. The hair is bouncy. I did receive a little bit of shedding, but not that much. I'm not gonna run my hands through the curls right now because I don't want my curls to fall. They starting to fall now, but I think they're holding up pretty well. I did use my curling iron. I always curl away from my face. So today I tried to curl like towards my face, and I like it. I like it. You can see where some of them are starting to fall, but you can always go and jazz that up. That's not a big deal. When it comes to curling your wigs or your hair in general, you need a good holding spray. A good holding spray will get you right, get it right, get it tight. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig was a little bit too big for your girl, but as y'all saw before I installed my wig, I did put on my wig grip. My head size is a 22 for those who don't know, so it was a little bit too big for me, but my wig grip is sitting. I melted the lace on down, and the wig ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. I love the density of this hair. I feel like it's nice and thick. Even before I curled it, I was like, ooh, this is a nice density, and I'm pretty sure this unit would look good straight in, but for now, we is just gonna do the curls. I'm just loving how flat the install is. I think this is like one of my favorite installs of 2021. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, because it's looking flat. Y'all know I don't do no baby hairs. They do provide baby hairs with the wig, and they weren't too long. They did look natural, but y'all know how I do. I brush them back into the wig because baby hairs is a personal preference, and your girl just don't like baby hairs. So once again, shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check the description box for the wig link and for a coupon code if I have one. If you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, make sure you check the direct links down below in the description box. And, you know, go ahead and follow and add my pages. You know what I'm saying? Support your girl. I truly do appreciate it. I thank you all for watching my videos, commenting on my videos, liking my videos. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, y'all, because it's hard out here for a pimp. I said it's hard out here for a pimp, you know. Yeah. Whoop that trick, get him. Yo, I swear I think I'm from Memphis. I gotta stay fly. Yeah, y'all, don't mind me. I'm just in a good mood. I'm getting in a good space. And you know, when you're happy, show it. And if my happiness offends you, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better tell that to people. Don't let people make you feel bad for living life and being happy. You know what I'm saying? But don't get me started, y'all, because I'll go on a rant. If you like today's video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.